In the next episode, Hakan will become the center of the story as the weight of his family of the past finally began crushing him. He will remember every moment when he could have told Aras the truth but chose silence to protect the Kaya name. After publicly show respect for Aras' courage, Hakan will face Teoman anger. Teoman will accuse him of loving a stranger more than his own son. Hakan will answer that Aras is not a stranger. The stop before he saying too much. Then finish sentence will say in Teoman mind. He will follow Hakan and see him visiting the place where Sarad was last seen. There Hakan will discover sign of a struggle and assume Sarad has been killed. In reality, Sarad will have excused with help from one of the orphan boy leaving behind a coded notebook. Hakan will take the notebook but Teoman will secretly photograph survival page. The symbol will include two names connected by the same hospital number, Aras and Demi. Meanwhile, Aras and Leila will try to protect the camp after Sibnam sent people to remove their tent. Instead of fighting, Aras will invite the press and force every action to happen in public. Sibnam will become furious because Aras is learning to defeat power without using violence. She will order Hakan to end the problem permanently. Hakan will refuse to for the first time and tell her that the children have already paid enough for their decision. Their argument will reveal that Hakan was not the person who chose to separate the brother. He only covered the track later. Sibna will warn him that telling the truth will destroy Layla, Teoman and everything they bullied. Hakan will respond that the house is already destroyed because it stands on stolen lives. Dennis will meet Teoman after he studies the notebook. He will show her the two names but pretend he does not care. Dennis will see his shake hand and tell him he is afraid Aras may be his brother because then every crucial thing he did to Aras will become impossible to forget. Teoman will finally admit that he had a recurring dream of a small boy holding his hand near a burning car. He always thought the dream was intended, but now he believed the boy was Aras. Near the end, Hakan will arrange a private meeting with Aras and promise to tell him where Damir is. Before the meeting, Sibna will learn about it and send someone to stop him. Hakan car will be forced off the road, but Aras and Teoman will both arrive moment later from possible direction. Neither will know the other was car. They will work together to pull Hakan from the damaged car. Conscious Hakan will both boy hand and say that the answer has been standing between them from the beginning.